In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build the email campaign in Go High Level. We'll create a simple two-email sequence that starts when a specific tag is added to a contact, and then we'll test it to make sure everything works. Start by heading to Automation inside your Go High Level account. Click Create Workflow and choose Start from Scratch. This gives you a clean canvas so you control every piece of the campaign. First, let's define what kicks off the workflow. Click Add New Trigger, choose Contact Tag, and then add filters so it only runs when a tag is added. In the options, set it to Tag Added, then select the specific tag you want to use for this campaign. Pick the tag from your list, confirm your choice, and save the trigger. Tags are a reliable way to segment your audience, so choose a tag that clearly matches your goal to avoid enrolling the wrong contacts. Now we'll add the first email. Click Add Action and select Send Email. Type a clear, compelling subject line, then write your message in the body. Keep it focused on one objective, like a thank you, a next step, or a helpful resource. If you use personalization fields in your account, this is a good place to include them for a warmer tone. When you're happy with it, save the action. Next, add a delay between messages. Click Add Action again and choose Wait. For this demo, set the wait time to 2 minutes so you can see it run quickly. In a real campaign, you can extend that to days or even up to 90 days, depending on your cadence. Save the wait. After the delay, let's add a follow-up. Click Add Action, select Send Email again, add a subject, and write the second email body. This message should build on the first, perhaps a reminder, an additional resource, or a soft call to action. Keep your tone consistent and your ask clear. Save the action. With the workflow built, it's time to test. Go to Contacts and open your Smart List. Select a contact you can safely test with. From the Contact view, choose the option to trigger automation. Give this manual trigger a simple name so you can recognize it in your logs. Select the workflow you just created and save it. This enrolls the contact immediately. Finally, check the inbox for that contact and confirm the first email arrives. Then wait for the delay and confirm the follow-up appears as expected. If everything looks good, your email campaign is ready to use.